In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a watermark from a PDF using Microsoft Word. If you've ever opened a PDF and found a big draft or confidential label running across the page, and you're allowed to modify that file, this quick approach is for you. We'll follow a simple path from start to finish. Open the PDF in Word, select the watermark, delete it, and save the result back as a PDF. Along the way, I'll point out what to expect so nothing catches you off guard. Start by opening the PDF with Microsoft Word. You can launch Word and choose Open, or right-click the PDF and pick Word as the app. Word will display a message explaining that it needs to convert the PDF into an editable document. That's expected. PDFs and Word files use different structures, so the converted version may not look pixel perfect. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to keep the original PDF as a backup. When you're ready, confirm the conversion and let Word open the document. Now, find the watermark on the page. It usually appears faintly behind the text, sometimes diagonally, sometimes centered. Click directly on the watermark to select it. When it's selected, you'll see a border or small handles indicating it's active. If it's hard to grab, zoom in for better precision. Watermarks can be inserted as images, shapes, or text objects, but in Word, they behave like any other selectable element. Just make sure you're clicking the watermark itself, not the regular text on top of it. With the watermark selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. If the watermark was applied consistently across the document, removing it once often clears it everywhere. In some files, the watermark may exist as separate objects on multiple pages. If you still see it on other pages after the first delete, repeat the same click and delete action anywhere it remains visible. There's nothing more to it. Just select the watermark object whenever you see it and remove it. When you're happy with the result, save your changes back to PDF. Go to File, choose Save As, pick where you want to store it, set the file type to PDF, and give it a new name so you can always return to the original if needed. Then save. Word will export your edited document as a fresh PDF without the watermark you deleted. That's the whole process. Open, select, delete, and save. If the layout looks slightly different than the original PDF, that's simply the conversion at work. Review a few pages to make sure everything looks clean, and you're done.